Oh wait. Hello and welcome back to Baking with the Galans. Do a theme song.
No.
Today we're gonna do a pumpkin muffin with chocolate chips inside using a recipe that we found on Pinterest. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first it says preheat oven to 400 degrees, which we already did. Okay, ready? So, first measurement. For the flour, it's going to be 3 cups of flour. Do the other one, and I'll get a teaspoon of baking powder. A teaspoon of baking powder. Baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Soda? It's like coming out in like chunky balls.
Yeah. That was awkward.
Ew! Okay, so done with the baking soda. A tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's gonna smell like fall.
That's a lot.
I know, it's gonna smell so good. And now it said, what else?
Girl, I don't know.
A half teaspoon of salt.
That's it.
It's a teaspoon, but I'm gonna do just half, which is just a pinch, but.
That is a lot. It's fine.
So this was actually the
What was
second
the
step.
first part, the eggs and stuff?
Yeah, the first part was the eggs, but I skipped through it for some reason. Now this one we're gonna put aside. Do you wanna mix it real quick?
Sure.
And now we're gonna put this aside and use this bowl to do all the wet ingredients. So these are your eggs, Sophie. You're gonna put 4 eggs.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Sophie is an expert in eggs. Why is it so dark?
Okay, 1.
Oh, that was good.
Why are you surprised?
That one was all right.
Okay, but 2. Come on.
Yikes.
As long as
3
as long as none of the
eggshells
go
get in there.
It's fine. Awkward. There we go.
It went from like great to worse.
You put too much pressure on me and I dropped under pressure. Just like this.
Now we're gonna put 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of light brown sugar. So we've got both of those. Let's do this one first. And then we need a cup of brown sugar as well.
Okay, look at that. You're missing
Oh, well, you know
the
what?
close-ups every time.
Okay, hold up.
Sugars
Okay.
and then the eggs, it just doesn't make sense, but
Well, we just did it this way, but it doesn't matter. Wait! Okay, I gotta get those close-ups. Okay, actually, I'm gonna come in through here. Wow, the technique. So we also need the pumpkin and the oil. The pumpkin is 15 ounces, and the oil is 1.5 cups of canola oil. A half? This is a lot of oil.
yeah, that's a lot.
A whole? Oh my
That's a lot of
god.
oil out there. Are you sure it says 1?
Yes, it does.
In this, with the sugars?
Yeah, because we still have to add the pumpkin, and the pumpkin is 15 ounces.
It's okay. It's okay. I can literally smell the oil.
Stop!
That was really anticlimactic.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
Ew.
Feeling that much.
It smells bad. It's okay.
You were the worst chef to go along with me. Okay. 11 ounces right here.
Okay, put it in. This is right. You're not even filming this.
So bad at this.
It's orange.
It's pumpkin. Of course it's orange.
I know, but it's a brown mixed with the orange and it's just not very flattering.
And that's pretty good. Okay. Ready? Oh, that does look kind of interesting.
Yeah, and it smells not. I thought pumpkin smelled like pumpkin spice latte, but this doesn't even smell like that. It smells like Gerber food.
It does.
You should like eat it by itself and see if it's good.
Bet. Ready?
Ew!
I'm scared. I don't like it.
I told you it was gonna be bad.
It's not bad. It's just it doesn't have any sugar in it. It's like
Oh,
super
yeah.
unsweet.
Okay, can we mix?
Wait, I gotta wash my hands. Eggs, both sugar, pumpkin, and oil. And then we already got all of the not wet ingredients, dry ingredients.
I think we put them together now.
No, really? We don't put them together. We fold them.
Okay.
Fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients just until combined. Do not overmix. Wait, but this is the bigger one, so instead of doing it that way, we're gonna do it
That's
this
not gonna do it.
Why?
Because we should follow directions.
Yeah, but
Okay, whatever.
this one's bigger, so.
Okay, a little bit at a time. Okay.
Okay, ready? Just do
Yeah.
one thing at once. I don't know why you're doing it.
Because it says to fold it.
You can fold it while you do it. Go, fold.
Oh, well you didn't tell me.
Don't overmix.
That looks like literal Duke. Ew.
Sophie, be quiet. And then we just have to put the chocolate chips.
Something tells me that it's not gonna look as good as the Pinterest.
We're gonna spray this. They're gonna be huge muffins.
We also
Where's the spray? I just had it. Oh, here it is. Okay.
I know, I'm doing it.
I'm taking over. Go rinse that.
I'm doing it.
No, you're doing it wrong. Okay, come on. Ready?
Oh man, I got it on my sock.
Okay, I'm gonna put.
It looks so gross. It looks like beans.
Okay, wait.
Like not good beans though, like that. Okay.
1 cup.
We can add more though.
Little goes in.
I have pumpkin on my sock.
And a little extra.
I'm so nervous.
Okay, yeah, me too.
This is either gonna taste disgusting or okay. Can you put
Okay. Oh, that's good.
Oh, I forgot.
Girl. Okay. That's good.
Girl, I can't really tell. You need to tell me when to stop. Because I'm seeing is meat.
That's good. Oh my God. Gets it
Girl.
all over the pan.
I can't tell.
Okay.
Girl, uh-oh. Uh-oh. You were in charge of this and you ruined it. That looks disgusting.
Wait.
It's okay.
Okay, yeah, clean it up because that looks nasty. There. We still have
There's-
a lot left over, so we have silicone ones. So we cleaned it up. It looks pretty. So now we're gonna fill up the silicone ones. I'm gonna grab. That wasn't smart. Okay.
Oh, it's kind of getting everywhere. Doesn't even this in. That looks kind of good.
Ew!
Oh my gosh.
They're done. They look so good.
Girl is burning my face. Ooh, girl. Oh, that burned.
So cute.
I'm gonna cut in the middle to see if it's nice and moist or not.
You cut it too fast. It is really nice though. Look at the inside.
Yeah, whoa.
Okay, try it. Taste test.
It's super like,
Okay.
ah!
Move over here.
It's super
There.
like,
I made my coffee already.
soft.
Okay.
Look.
Like mushy? Yeah, it said they were gonna be super soft.
Girl,
So check.
I'm gonna burn my whole tongue off.
So far, I kind of think these, I mean, they look good. So I think Pinterest was right about these. They're good. Okay, wait, I want some of this one. The one that you didn't blow all over.
I blew it.
Stop, stop, just stop.
The chocolate really adds to it.
I told you. She said pumpkin and chocolate.
Pumpkin and chocolate?
The chocolate really makes the flavor like pop.
They're good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Is that it?
Yep.
Mom, do you want to try it? Here, try this piece and let us know if you like it.
It's hot.
It's pumpkin with chocolate chip. It's a yes.
Perfect.
It's a yes from Mom. That concludes baking with the Galans.